Want to have spent a year living and working in the Isles there as a forecaster back in the late 1980s. So I've got first-hand experience as well of what the elements can throw at the Western Isles. But actually it's not all extremes. The Gulf Stream benefiting the temperatures. So Stornoway, average temperature at this time of the year around 7 degrees. That's pretty much the same as it is in London. But in fact at the moment Stornoway is doing slightly better than London. 11 degrees, exceptionally mild across many parts of Scotland through this afternoon. Temperatures still struggling a little bit though across some eastern parts of England, but here too turning milder as the day goes on. And looking at the week ahead, it stays fairly mild. Winds always coming in from the west or the southwest, so that Atlantic influence continuing, keeping temperatures near or even a bit above normal right the way through to the end of the coming week. And frost, I think, really a rarity right the way through, just a little bit of patchy frost on a couple of nights. But it will stay very changeable, those winds bringing in the Atlantic weather system, so rain for most of us at some stage, but probably the heaviest of it across more northern areas. Now we've got some heavy outbreaks through this afternoon as well, working their way in across Wales, northern and southwestern parts of England. It'll nudge a little bit further eastwards as the afternoon goes on, but still some brighter skies to come across Northern Ireland and just edging in to the Western Isles. Not a bad end to the day here. Now through tonight we're going to find that first band of rain gradually pushing away towards the east. Frost-free everywhere tonight. Temperatures no lower than 3 degrees, but the next weather system beginning to knock on the door of Northern Ireland and Western Scotland as we go through towards the end of the night. So that rain's going to march on its way through tomorrow. A fairly slow movement, mind you, so many southeastern areas staying dry until the end of the day. Everywhere you'll notice pretty mild again, 9 to 11 degrees, but some brighter weather with showers beginning to nudge in across the northwest of Scotland and into Northern Ireland through the second half of the day, and it will turn quite windy, perhaps some gales for the far northwest. Tuesday, those temperatures getting back to near average, so it will feel a bit colder just about everywhere, I think. 6 to 8 degrees typical temperatures. Best of the brightness across more eastern parts, heaviest of the showers across more western areas, and perhaps a little bit wintry across the higher Scottish mountains above about 300 metres or so. By the middle of the week, while we've still got that Atlantic influence, this weather system just rippling around a bit may bring some heavy outbreaks of rain from time to time, but still that conveyor belt of those mild southwesterly winds coming in ahead of the rain, and a fair bit of sunshine across